Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pie with ready-made pastry, updated. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and unroll chilled pastry on a lightly floured surface. Prepare a simple fruit or savory filling and pile it into the crust without overfilling. Trim edges, brush with egg wash, and add a top or lattice crust. Bake until golden and bubbling. For reliable filling ideas, start simple and taste as you go to balance sugar, salt, and acid. Combine sliced apples with a splash of lemon and 25% less sugar for bright flavor, or make a quick chicken pot pie with cooked chicken, veggies, and a creamy binder. Use 1/4 cup of cornstarch or flour to thicken juicy fruit fillings and prevent runny pies after baking. Bake pies on a lower oven rack to get a crisp bottom crust while the top browns evenly. If your filling looks wet, bake longer at a slightly lower temperature to reduce sogginess without burning the crust. Use a pie shield or foil on edges if they brown too fast, and let pies rest at least 15 minutes so fillings set for neater slices and the best texture when serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.